Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
Well, I think today we have ourselves to blame because we had a lot of chances. We could have won this game by 4 goals, 5 goals, scored plenty goals in this game, but we couldn't take our chances. Performances like this cannot win us the Ghana Premier League. Fabio Gama, Kwame Boku, other players we created chances. It's not that we didn't have opportunity to create chances. We created several chances, but I don't know what is going on. It's as if we can't score goals anymore. Kwame Boku had the opportunity to score the first half. He missed. Fabio Gama had the opportunity to score too. He missed. His header flew above the bar. Kwame Boku had another opportunity to score again. He missed. Abdul Ganiyu had a near post opportunity. He also missed. That was like 5 or 6 chances that went begging. Ashantigold, the game was there for the taking. Like, they were not playing anything extraordinary. We played very well today. I can tell you that we played better. We played much better than Ashantigold. We had chances to score. Like, it was begging, score. The goalpost was there, say score, put the ball in there, but you couldn't. I feel we played very well today. It's a performance. We have a lot of positives from the game, but 2 games we haven't won. 2 games since Johnson Smith took over. I don't think we've played 2 games in a row without winning anyone. But today there are a lot of positives to get from today's game because we played very well. Just that we couldn't take our chances. Ashantigold, they are not as fearful as people think they are. They are not. There's nothing special about Ashantigold. Nothing special at all. It's just that we were not clinical today. The defense was not that good. We played very well. Our defense was good. Our midfield was good. Latif and Nabila came in place of Mudasiru, and the midfield became very compact. We created a lot of chances. We just couldn't score. Emmanuel Jemfi came in and he made a difference. Imoro Ibrahim played very well. Nati played very well before he left. Samuel Frimpong, as usual, played very well. Razak Abalora didn't do much in the second half. He played very well, commanding presence at the defense. Abdul Ganiyu and Yusuf Mubarak, a partnership as usual, extraordinary. Well, I think if we play like this, if we don't improve our finishing, we are not going to win the Ghana Premier League. It's just the simple truth. We just need to be more clinical up front. I'm sure the coach Johnson Smith will be telling them that this result is not acceptable. It's 2 points dropped. There's no way you say that at least let's get 1 point. No, this is 2 point drop. We went there with the intention of winning and we could have won. It's just that we couldn't finish. So that's all for today. I would like to know your thoughts on the game because to me it was a disappointing result. We could have won this game and get the 3 points considering the fact that we lost our last game against the Duana Stars and this game was there for the taking but we couldn't win. Disappointing. We just need to sharpen up and prepare for our next game. I would like to know your thoughts on the game. Give me your thoughts, put that in the comment section, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Also share this video to your friends, Kotoko fans. Till next time, guys. Good.